Introducing the DDR5 DIMM socket, the next generation of DDR DIMM socket for future computing platforms. It boasts improved performance, offering greater power efficiency and bandwidth and density of DDR5 over DDR4 technology. It has 2 times higher data rate than the DDR4. The DDR5 is more compact than its predecessor and offers a smaller connector footprint and height. However, smaller doesn't mean less speed. Additionally, it features narrow latch and housing for heat dissipation and provides great thermal performance. Its robust, ergonomically designed latch and latch tower enhances rip-out force and vibration resistance during memory module insertion and release. The halogen-free high-temperature nylon housing supports high reflow temperatures, while also being environmentally sustainable. Made in a certified TEOA Star Level 5 plant to ensure great manufacturing process and quality control. It can be used in servers, workstations, desktops, storage and networking. Data center applications can include AI, big data, analytics, blockchain, cloud, machine learning, and AR/VR. This total solution of memory and CPU socket can deliver higher reliability, quality, and consistency. Learn more at te.com.